Hello guys, this is Nightingale, and in this video we are going to learn how we can merge multiple Word documents into single one, or we are going to combine multiple documents into single one. But in this video I'm going to demonstrate two methods of doing that. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so this is the first document, that is section 1. This is the first document. This is the second document, that's section 2. And this is the third document, that is section 3. So we are going to combine these three documents into single one. So let me close it. Now let's go to our search bar, then search for Word document. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Office 2013, so I have Word 2013, so I'll click on it to open. Okay, so here I'm going to select a blank document. Click on blank document. Okay, so I have my blank document opened. Now I'll go to view. Then here I'll make sure I look for outline. So I'll click on the outline like this. After that, you make sure you look for show document. So I click on show document. You will see create and insert. In this case, you are going to use the insert, so I click on insert. So you browse to the location where you have your documents you want to merge them. In my case, they're on the desktop, so I click on the desktop. So I'll select the first one, that is section 1. I click open. I click insert again. And I select section 2. And I click insert again. Then I select the section 3. So after that, you go back to view. You click on the view. Then now you select the print layout. So now my document has been combined. This is the section 1. This is the section 2. And this is the section 3. So I've combined multiple documents into single one. So this is the first method. Now let's go to the second method. So let me close this document. So you go to your search bar again. I'll search for Word document. So I open it. It's done launching. So I'll select the blank document. Okay, so in this method, you look for the insert section. You click on insert. Then you look for object. You see object here. Then beside the object, you are going to see a drop down icon. You click on it. Then you look for text from file. You click on it. Then same, you browse to the location you have your document. So I'm going to select these three documents, or you can use holding the control key on your keyboard. Then you click on the document you want to use one by one. After that, you click insert. So this is it. This is my first document, that is section 1. Second document, that is section 2. Then third document, section 3. So please, basically this is how you can use to insert or combine multiple documents into single one. Hope this lesson helped you a lot. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for learning.